All right, ladies and gents, welcome to another video on the channel. So this one, we're going to cover how to get your clients, okay, to stay with you forever, right? So this is a very crucial ones that don't only apply to you, but any service-based business. So any business that you're in, that you provide a service to customers and that you always have to get new customers, right? That's always the major issue. So as life insurance agent or financial professional, one of the most crucial aspects of your job is retaining clients, right? Because it's more easier to keep existing clients than to constantly search for new ones. But the question is, how do you keep your clients with you for the long run? So the goal of this video is to show you what are the 3 R's, right, to master in order to keep your clients forever and have the word of mouth working for you and not against you. Okay, that's something you need to realize, that word of mouth is either working for you or against you. It's always working and it's never neutral, right? That's something that we've also applied. So for those of you that doesn't know me yet, right, my name is Joey and I'm founder at Fondaco Media, that we're growth partner for over 600 insurance agents in the last 2 years and multi-seven figures agency owner. So we've helped a lot of advisors reach at least the 10K month mark and also coupled to 100K per month mark. And everything that these guys had in common was retention. How they were able to, once they close a client on insurance, for example, how they can go and sell investment to them and keep them in the long run, right? And go in their family and sell investment and insurance to their daughter-in-law, right? To their cousin and all that stuff. So retention, right? So this is for you if you're currently an insurance agent, financial advisor, currently making between 5 to 40K per month, but you cannot scale faster and it's driving you nuts and you're looking for a solution to get you further, right? It's also for you if you're a new agent and you want to have an extremely fast start in the industry, right? So if you're looking to scale your business fast as an insurance agent and want to do it in the most efficient way and you're ready to invest in your business, go ahead and book a call. In the description below, you'll have the link to our website to simply apply and book a call. So we, just a heads up that we cancel about 70% of everyone that applies just because we know who are the best fit for our business. So if you want to go ahead, apply. And if we're ready to move with you, we'll have a simple call and see if it works out. So without further ado, let's dive in. So the 3 keys, right? The 3 R's that I like to call to remember for successful client retention are relationship, recognition, and results. All right. So let me dive into each of those and what they actually mean. Okay. So the first one is relationship. So you got to go ahead and build relationship first. So we actually, one of our coaching calls that we had, so we have 4 in our system. We offer 4 coaching calls per week that 100 plus financial advisor on their way to 10K per month or 100K per month gather and mastermind together. And there was a guy that had very better results than all the other ones, right? And we asked him, what's the difference? And he told us that when I'm talking to a client, I want them to see me as me, not a financial advisor. So I want to make friends with that person. I want to build a relationship first with them. And then the product or the sale is going to come by itself. And that eliminates so many headaches. It eliminates no-shows because the person actually wants to speak to you and not the financial advisor, right? So that's one thing that everyone needs to understand. Even for us, we use it in our own business, relationship. So build genuine relationship with our clients, with your clients, with people, right? Be interested in what they're saying. So a good book for that, by the way, I would recommend is How to Win Friends and Influence People. It really shows how to really set the dynamic for success when you first meet someone, right? So that's the first step, relationship, build a relationship, and also keep maintaining all the efforts that you're doing to build a relationship throughout your relationship. So don't stop. If you care about that person, then a month after they paid you, don't sacrifice a relationship, right? For other clients, like continue to invest in the relationship and it's going to pay off a lot of dividends. Okay. Second step is, I should have put results at this as a second step because recognition comes after, but results, right? You need to give results to your client, right? So if you're able to make him a 10% return instead of a 6% return that he currently has with his bank, then he's going to have results. He's going to stay with you, right? So that's super important. Like that's a crucial one. If you don't have results, even if you have a good relationship and recognition, then he just won't stay with you, right? But results only is not the all in all of the formula. You need to have the relationship and the recognition. And that's something, by the way, that we've realized a lot in our first couple of years in business. Like we were all about results for our client. Like we were giving them amazing results, but we were lacking on the recognition and the relationship. Like we didn't think that that was important. We're giving them amazing results, amazing ROI, 10x ROIs, and we still had client leave us. We were like, okay, why is that, right? Well, the simple answer is easy. It's because we were not building relationship. We didn't care about them. If they had results, we're like, okay, they have results, so they probably think that it's okay. But if they don't, we might think that they have results. But if that person don't know, which recognition comes into play, that they have results, then it doesn't matter at all, right? And same thing with relationship. If they just think that we just give them the service and we don't care about who they are, then they won't stay with us as well, right? That's why on our end, like we've decided to build like a full-on client success team, right? That people can get like one-on-one support all the time, build relationship with our clients. So when you come into our system, you have an assigned client success coach, client success manager, that their whole goal is to make sure that you have results, that they can build a relationship with you, that they can keep you accountable, and that they recognize your results, right? The last part is recognition. So making sure that when you have results, recognize it, applaud you for it, congratulate you for it, right? And when you're in business, most of the time, when you're the owner or yourself as self-employed, for example, then you're by yourself. You never get recognition. So having someone recognize you, same thing for your clients when they get a nice bonus, like a nice quarterly dividends at the end of the quarter because of their work you did for them and give them a lot of investment, or for example, insurance, making them save a lot of money for that. Like recognize that, send them a letter, send them something, send them a gift. That's something that we've implemented in our business. So for example, we have something called Client Success Manifesto at our business. So we always say word of mouth is either working for you or against you, right? The objective of our client success is to create raving fans of our service so that word of mouth works for us and we're able to make our clients stay longer and pay us more. That's basically the whole goal. So if you can have a client, like treat your client like if they were the only client and treat that person like if they were the only person that can get you other clients, would you treat that client differently? Probably, right? Because you wouldn't have any other ways to get new clients. So yeah, always need to have that mindset. And that's what we teach to our clients. Once again, we always walk the talk. We always say, we preach what we're actually doing inside of our business. So the three keys: relationship, recognition, and results. So that's something also that you can do. We have what we call the Fondaco Client Success Raving Fan Roadmap. So for example, when a new advisor, when a new agent comes in program, right? There's all those steps that starts. So they have, for example, this is all done by a head of success. They get a call within 10 minutes, right? To congratulate them on the call. They have a group onboarding workshop that explains to them all the process for the next couple of months, how it's going to look like, how we're going to get them to their desired results. We have a one-on-one implementation call where we implement the whole system for them. They have accountability text. They have concierge phone call every 2 weeks, making sure that they're on track to their results, right? So like we're actually giving a shit about their results. That's basically it. So you can do something like that for when a new insurance client come in and all that stuff. And I think that could be very, very useful for you guys. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that you can take those little tips that we've managed to discover within the last couple of years running our business, especially dealing with insurance agents, seeing a lot of them succeed in the business, even if the failure rate is very, very high. I think it's something like 90% of advisors fail after like the first year, and 90% of those that succeed fails after 3 years then. So it's terrible, the failure rate in that industry. And our mission is to change that and make sure that advisors can actually make a lot of money, feed their families, and help a lot of families other than themselves in the process. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that you enjoyed that video. Once again, if you'd like to know more about what we do and you're ready to invest in your business and reach the next level in your business, go ahead, click on the link, book a call. If you're not ready yet, and by all means, like the video, comment your thoughts on this video, share it to a colleague, and watch all of our other videos. I think you'll get a lot of value that others will make you pay for. So it's that simple. So I hope you enjoyed. Hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next one.